if we look at all the views, such as the index, add items, and also the error, they all have the nav and also the head. And this is not efficient because if we change the head in the future, we need to go to each of these files and change it through every single build that we had. It would be nice to be able to create a file which have just part of this template, which is the same, and then we import to our views that we need. And if we need to update that part of the template, we just need to update that file instead update all the views. And we can do this with Express and EJS, and these files will be called partials or partial templates. So what I'm going to do is to create a folder over here, and we call it partials. And we are going to create two files. One is the nav.ejs and the other is the head.ejs. So first we are going to copy the head from the index. So we copy this and cut this and paste it to the head.ejs. To include this template to our index, we are going to use the EJS. So we open the angled bracket with the percentage symbol and with the dash. And this is not using the equal symbol because we are importing the template. And we just use the equal sign if we want to output the variable, just like the previous lecture. So we use include, and then we go to the relative path is the partials. And we should put the partials inside the view first. So we type partials and then we type head.ejs. So we save it and we forgot to put the percentage and close the angle bracket. And then we save and refresh the page, and we can see there is a white bar here, and this is because we accidentally add the semicolon here. So we delete the semicolon and save it and refresh, and you can see everything still works fine. And we do all the same things to the other files. So we copy this and go to the error page, and then we replace this head, and also we go to the add items, and also we replace this head. We also replace this head and save it. And now if we refresh the page and go to add item, you see everything still works. So if we go to the error page, it also still works. So the next thing is the nav bar. So we are going to the index and we cut this and paste this to our nav.ejs. So we do the same for the nav. So now we grab this and paste it under the body, and we change this to the nav.ejs. So we go to refresh, and everything still works. So we do the same for the other pages. We copy this and replace the nav, and also go to the add items, and also replace the nav. So we save all. So if we come over here and refresh the page and we test all the other pages, the add items, and also the error page. So that's the head done and also the nav done. And this is how we create a partial template with EJS.